Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Why choose wooden decor? Host. Wooden decor adds warmth and texture to any room. It's versatile, eco-friendly, and can fit into various design styles, from rustic to contemporary. Trending wooden wall decor ideas. Host. Now, let's explore some of the best modern wooden wall decor ideas. Geometric wood panels. These offer a sleek, modern look. You can create a statement wall with varying shapes and sizes. Wooden wall art. Consider pieces that incorporate nature themes or abstract designs for a unique touch. Functionality meets style. Use them to display plants, books, or decorative items. Personalized wooden signs add character. Think of quotes or family names. Try some DIY projects. Reclaimed wood can be transformed into stunning wall art or shelves. Living in a small space doesn't mean sacrificing style. It's all about smart design choices that maximize your area while keeping it stylish. Top modern decor ideas. Here are some trendy ideas to enhance your small home. Multifunctional furniture. Look for items like sofa beds or coffee tables with storage. They save space and serve multiple purposes. Light colors. Opt for a light color palette to create an illusion of more space. Whites, creams, and soft pastels work wonders. Wall-mounted shelves. These save floor space and can display your favorite books or decor items beautifully. Freelancing. Offer your skills online writing, graphic design, programming, etc. on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Online tutoring. Create and sell handmade items on Etsy or start dropshipping with Shopify. Types of wood wall art. Carved wooden panels. Features intricate patterns or nature-inspired designs. Perfect for creating a boho, traditional, or global aesthetic. Geometric wood art. Made of wood pieces arranged in modern, geometric patterns. Ideal for contemporary or minimalist interiors. Reclaimed wood art. Crafted from salvaged wood, offering a rustic and eco-friendly vibe. Often features natural textures and imperfections. 3D sculptural art. Adds depth with layered or carved wood designs. Works well as a focal point in a living room or hallway. Wood and metal combinations. Combines wood with metal for an industrial or modern look. Great for adding contrast and texture to your decor. Wooden wall murals. Large-scale designs or patterns that cover an entire wall. A bold statement for dining rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Laser-cut wooden art. Features intricate, precise designs made with laser cutting. Lightweight and easy to install. Where to use wood wall art. Living room. Above the sofa, fireplace, or TV unit. Bedroom. Over the headboard or as a focal piece on a blank wall. Dining room. A large statement piece or a series of smaller panels. Office. Abstract designs or motivational quotes carved in wood. Hallways. Gallery-style arrangements with different wood textures. Styling tips. Layering. Pair wooden art with mirrors, metal accents, or greenery. Color coordination. Match or contrast the wood tones with your furniture. Lighting. Use spotlights or LED strips to highlight the texture and details. Themes. Choose art that reflects your personality or a specific theme: nature, abstract, cultural. DIY ideas. Create a wood mosaic using scrap wood. Paint or stain a reclaimed wood piece for a custom look. Use stencils to add patterns or quotes to plain wooden boards. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.